AutoCreditExpress Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. AutoCreditExpress isn't just a car loan service. You won't believe how it helps people with varying credit histories access financing. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for poor credit, but the surprising truth is it caters to all credit types while streamlining approval. There is no upfront fee to use the service, and customers can compare multiple lenders to find competitive interest rates. Monthly payments and vary based on credit score, loan term, and vehicle type, but AutoCreditExpress provides transparency and multiple options to suit individual budgets. Most people overlook the benefit of pre-qualification, which does affect credit scores and helps estimate realistic loan terms before committing. The platform also guides users through required documentation and lender requirements. You won't believe how much this reduces the complexity of financing, especially for first-time buyers or those rebuilding credit. Customer support assists throughout the loan process, ensuring clarity and reducing stress. In conclusion, AutoCreditExpress pricing reflects a service-focused approach to auto financing. For anyone seeking accessible, flexible, and transparent car loan options, it offers excellent value. A combination of lender comparison, pre-qualification, and support makes securing a vehicle loan simpler and more efficient.